There are countless ways to make extra money outside of your primary job that can help you pay off debt, save for future purchases, or aggressively invest. These side businesses don't require a huge chunk of money for startup, extensive education, or other requirements, and the hourly pay can be shocking. So take a look at these straightforward business ideas that you can start today. Money making. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the post notification bell so that when a new video is uploaded, you get notified. Alright, let's get into the video. While cleaning cars can be a very lucrative business, most people don't have the time to do it themselves. They could take their cars to the car wash in between working and running errands, but that is not just cumbersome. Because it doesn't offer a complete cleaning, it is pricey for the quality of service you obtain. Since it doesn't take very long to wash a car, but customers will pay well for a quality wash as you gain experience and expand your services. You can offer this service from your home, or you could be mobile and travel to your customers' cars performing the service while they're at work or at home. Therefore, many people would prefer to pay an individual to do a proper cleaning while they're off doing something else. You can start providing upgrades with high profit margins. The stereotype of house cleaners as unskilled laborers making meager wages exists. However, that's not the case at all if you're ready to work hard, have an eye for detail, and don't mind getting your hands dirty. When they arrive home from work, busy working families are pleased to pay for this service to have a clean, pleasant area because they don't have the time or energy to clean their toilets and wash their floors. Additionally, because they're frequently unable to do it themselves. Many elderly people need someone to clean their homes as well. Homeowners who short-term rent their residences through websites like Airbnb and Vrbo also require dependable cleaners to do laundry and other preparations for new visitors, make mattresses, and replenish supplies. They understand how important trustworthy and meticulous cleaners are to business success and are prepared to pay for quality work. This can be difficult work, so don't assume you can just walk around with a duster and call it a day. You'd be shocked at how much business owners are prepared to spend for someone to market their services. The necessity for social media marketers has arisen as smart business owners approach clients online. Older business owners in particular are unlikely to manage online advertising, given that conventional business owners would promote in the newspaper or by sending mailers. However, there is still a need to reach both potential and current customers. Take, for instance, a home improvement company. Paying someone to manage their web presence is money well spent because high-ticket services are frequently exceeding tens of thousands of dollars per task. There are many services you can provide to business owners, and as you improve as a marketer, you can charge much higher rates for your expertise. You can do this type of work from the convenience of your home, frequently on your own schedule, making it incredibly flexible for someone working another job. When selling a home, having professional images makes it much simpler to sell the house quickly and for top dollar. Yet a lot of real estate agents use low-quality cameras to photograph their listings, producing dark, crooked, grainy, and unclear images that make potential buyers ignore the listings they see on Zillow or other real estate websites. Instead, clear, bright, high-quality images could generate a lot more interest, creating a winning situation. Anyone with access to a professional camera and the ability to utilize it successfully can be compensated for their work in exchange for add-on services. Even without the additional services, photo sessions for a typical sized house bring in a sizable sum of money. The potential is substantially increased by drone content, 3D tours, and video walkthroughs. Monetary gain. Pet owners want specialized attention for their animals and frequently hire a pet sitter to either stay at their home and watch their pet, or pay for their pet to stay at the sitter's home while they travel. For a pet owner, this is a much better option than paying a high price for their pet to be locked in a kennel with dozens of other animals. You might extend your pet services while providing specialized care and earn a great living by housing multiple animals. For dog lovers, dog walking is a fantastic opportunity to make money in as little as an hour. Dog owners frequently hire someone to walk their dog while they are at work so that their pets don't have to spend the entire day cooped up in the house. The dog walker might decide to take a stroll around the neighborhood. What could be better than exercising in the fresh air and playing fetch in the park? Go for a stroll in the park or perhaps on a hike, which will result in content owners and worn-out canines. You could potentially walk more than one dog at once, increasing your income, and you could stagger your dog walking schedule to fill your day if desired. Whether it's helping the elderly or a busy working family, these people frequently need help from a personal assistant with their household chores. The time that working families have after spending their week at work and raising children is limited. Elderly people may lack the strength or physical ability to finish everything on their to-do list. Thus they require transportation to appointments, purchasing medication, take them to lunch, or assist with household duties. Busy families may need someone to go grocery shopping, pick up the kids from school, take the dog to the groomer, do the laundry, make some food, assist children with their homework and almost anything else around the house. This is similar to a nanny job, but with different requirements depending on the family or individual. This is a great opportunity for people who enjoy building relationships. Most people don't have access to pressure washers, let alone the time to use them, so there is a need for someone with the necessary tools, knowledge, and drive. In addition to residential properties, businesses like restaurants, gas stations, retail stores, and others need their parking lots and exteriors of their buildings cleaned. These surfaces become dirty with time, necessitating the maintenance of the dirt to keep these properties looking their best. Making hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month can be utilized for various things, like getting out of debt, saving for a big purchase, or investing. You'd be surprised at how easy some of these can be and how much money you can earn. You might decide to quit your job and pursue the business full-time. There are countless ways to earn some extra money that can suit a variety of skill levels, interests, and schedules, and they don't require you to spend every waking moment working.